go.
Hi friends, I wanted to show you what the packets are this week. We're done with all our letters. We did our review. We did some numbers this past week. And so this week it's all about flower work. Parts of the flower and different works that have to do with the flower. And on the table here I have some rhododendrons. These are flowers that grow here in Seattle in Washington. Lots of colors. I've seen lots of these around my neighborhood, and maybe you too have too. And we are going to do some work about the rhododendron. But I wanted to show you the packet and how to do all the pages in the packet. These are sunflowers. And for this work, you're going to cut out the sunflowers on the dotted line, and you're going to order them by size. Okay, so you can start with the shortest sunflower to the tallest sunflower. Here we have another sunflower, and this is a color by number. All the ones will be green, the twos will be brown, and the threes will be yellow. And you'll have a colorful sunflower. Here we have some tracing numbers, 1 to 20. Now this is a sun. This might be kind of fun work to do. First you can color it, and then you can cut out your sun. You have to cut out around the curved line, and then you make little cuts in here, and you'll have kind of a fringe for your sun, and maybe you can make something with it. Now this is the sunflower life cycle, okay? There's 2 sheets here. This one is more of a looking thing, and we start here with the seed. We go to the roots, the sprout, baby plant, bud, and sunflower. That is how a sunflower grows. So now you have this work, and in this work you can kind of use this as a reference, and you can cut out these down here, and there's 6 steps you can see of the sunflower, and put them in order using this as a guide. Here we have some more cutting work for flowers, making flowers grow. So you cut out the pictures and you see what comes first, second, and third growing flowers. Now here's our rhododendron work. This is a rhododendron, and I have some here that I picked from outside of our school. I asked Angela first, because anytime you see a flower, you always have to check and make sure and ask permission to pick flowers. And on our rhododendron, this rhododendron has the name rhododendron, and it also is something for you to color or watercolor. Now, just like us, we have body parts, right? Our arms, our eyes, our nose. Flowers have parts too. So this again is a sheet that tells you all the parts of the flower. And then a couple activities you can do, both writing and cutting off the names of the parts and gluing them on the rhododendron. I'm going to go over the parts with you now with a rhododendron. Here's beautiful pink rhododendrons here. Kind of the petals are starting to come. So the pink part, those are called the petals. Okay, and then if you look closely inside, this long thing, it's called the stigma. And there's some other little parts in there. And if you notice, there's the pink little part, the lines here, and that is called the filament. And on the tippy top is a little piece of brown, and that's called the anther. Okay, then if we go down here, we have the sepal, which is down here. Let me take this off so you can see it right here. And then we have the pedicel, which is this green part, and the receptacle, which is up here. So it's pretty, a little bit easier to see when you look at this sheet. But maybe if you have some rhododendrons in your neighborhood or in your yard, you can ask first and pick one, and you can look at it and examine the flower and learn its parts. And you can use this to cut out the flower parts and glue them where they go. And then there's some words too that you can trace. All right. And then I also gave moms and dads some activities you can do that have to do with flowers to enjoy your week. I miss everybody. Thank you for watching.